My name is Cody Orn. I'm from Booth Bay Harbor, Maine. I have all these fantastic products, all of them. Um, I love LadyBoss. Let me just say that first. I think it's a fantastic program. It's given me so much inspiration. You know, I've lost weight, I've gained it, and this has just given me the motivation to go all the way. Um, my favorite product is probably Burn. I absolutely love the Burn. I feel like it keeps my cravings under control, and I really can push through my workout. The fuel is great too, the little tingly feeling. It gives me an extra push. I love it. The Recover, oh my gosh, I just love it all. I push myself in each workout, and I have not been sore once, I swear. It's just so great. The protein shake I have at least twice a day, and if I get tired of the vanilla, I just add a little organic cocoa powder. It's just so good. You can do so much stuff with it. Um, the flavor is great. I love watermelon. I love cake. You can't go wrong. It's not chalky. I load it up with water. It's a little sweet, which is fine by me because I just add extra water to it. Um, I would totally recommend these products. I've shared them on my Facebook. I love them. I feel like it takes my workout to the next step, and I just got done working out and I'm about to drink some Recover. And the results, I've broken through my 160 plateau and I'm at 155 now, and I've been there since like August. So it's just fantastic for me. I would love Burn. If I had to pick a product, Burn is great for me. I love the rest, but with the baby, it knocks me out so good. I just feel drowsy when I wake up with him because it's 2 hours after I taken it and I'm up with the baby. But the Burn, the Burn is my favorite product, and I would love that. But thank you so much for these products, Kaylin, and I love it. Ooh.